Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to send a scheduled mail in Gmail. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have my Gmail account which is logged with my email account. So I just want to compose the mail. Just in your left hand side you will find a compose mail. So you can compose a new mail. So here you have to give your to address, subject as well as the content over here. So simple and easiest way, I just want to send the mail to my particular to address, and this is a birthday wishes, like whatever information you want, you just type. So I just type a birthday wishes, and what I did, happy birthday. Yeah, so now I just want to send the mail. So today is September 2, so his birthday on September 3rd or September 10 or something else. I just want to schedule. What I have to do here, simple and easiest way, there will be a send option. You can send directly to the particular to address. So here there will be a small arrow will be there, down arrow, just click here, there will be a send schedule will be there as you see here. So just click here, schedule, this morning 8 a.m, this afternoon 1 p.m, morning 8, whatever you want you can give. So there is Monday morning September 8. So here there will be a pick date will be available. Just hit the button of the pick date. So his birthday on 11th September. So I just select 11th September. It's around 12 a.m. It should be reach. That is exactly it will reach. So just click here for schedule send. Automatically the schedule send will be there. So Thursday September 11, 12 it will be there. So you can see the message and you can able to see the send schedule will be available. So you can click here to cancel send schedule also, while you can able to see what are the schedule messages are there. It will be displayed in your left hand side corner as you see here. So you can send means the send file will be there. You can schedule means it will be a schedule mail will be there. So there is a birthday wishes is there. So if you want you can click here to cancel, otherwise automatically 11th September 12 a.m. that message will be delivered to the particular person. So this is a simple and easiest way to schedule your message. So just compose the message and you just click here for send. You can choose a pick line. So whatever email address you can give, according to that you can click here for the schedule the meeting. So whatever schedule the time, it will automatically send the information to the particular details. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.